remember I told you that we're on this roll, you know, colors for the hair. So today I'm gonna be coloring this hair. I don't know if you guys remember this wig from the other day that I did, this 613 hair that I did with the dark roots. I'll link it down below, but this is what I'm going to be transforming today. And such, it has dark roots, so I'm not going to be like going all the way down on the roots. So I'm gonna say the color I want to go in today with is like a mint green. No more of this was in the store. I only have this full bottle. This is sweet mint, and I say if I need more color, if anything, I'll just use this funky fruit lime green. So the water is actually hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. I don't know, I'm going to just use the entire bottle. This is really an experiment, and hopefully I don't want it to be super bright, so I'm gonna just mix this around, and I hope this come out with a nice color. I really don't want it to be bright, so that's why I'm doing the whole watercolor method. I really should have got a larger container, but I did not. Yo guys, this water is hot. Hot. So I kind of went in and brushed it out to kind of have the color distributed better throughout the wig. I had a green hair sometime last year, but it was bright. It was very much more concentrated. I didn't do the watercolor method for that. This is a whole different vibe. This is gonna be a full on get ready with me, by the way, guys. I'm actually going to go ahead, give this 2 more minutes. I like how it's coming along. And then I'm going to proceed to wash it out. I'm just gonna use my conditioner, Tresemme. Regular Tresemme, I really don't stress it. You just always use any Tresemme conditioner and wash out the hair and let it air dry. So when you see it in the next clip, it will be dried. I'm about to start installing the wig, and then I'm going to get into the whole makeup aspect of things afterwards, as you guys know. So I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm going to be using my Got2b, not glue, to install this. Oh, by the way, I never even shown you how it looks, but this is the color it came out with. It's the first time I'm trying it. So as you can see, the color is like, it's more in some areas than others, but I didn't go in with any more color, I should say, after I used the 1 bottle of the sweet mint, because I never wanted to be too green.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Filled with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. 1 drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind and time.
Last time I wore for this week, it was in a center part. That's when it was blonde. So I said, let me switch it up and let me do a side part. So what I'm gonna do, I want to have some nice curls because I've been doing straight looks all week, especially with the colored hair and transformations. And this is already layered from the last video, so I don't need to layer it anymore. This feels so good. It's so full and nice. This gives me like mermaid vibes. I'm gonna use my wand and my clips like this to hold the curls intact.
I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Now that I made a little potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a little potion for you. Feel the illusion. Follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the illusion.
I know I look like the Grinch right now, especially with this flip over right here, but I'm going to jump into just doing my makeup. Okay, so guys, as you know, as I told you in previous videos, I got the whole microblading service done. It's almost 6 weeks, so it's almost time for my second session. And let me tell you, there is a phase where after you go through that 2 weeks where you cannot let water touch the brows, it like looks pale. It looks like it's fading away. But I can tell you for sure, after that, like after a week of that, the colors start to come back up. So like right now, it's like it looks as if I filled in my brows, but I really didn't. So this whole, process eliminates me having to use a brow pencil or a pomade. Sometimes that takes up time, so I'm happy that I got it done. I do have a vlog on my vlog channel, so again, if you're interested in that, go and check out PETITE-SUE TV to see that vlog where I got the whole service done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the usual, what I always do, just base my eyes with concealer so that my eyeshadow can be really nice and vibrant, and blend this out. And as always, the key to a good eye look is blending, or makeup in general, even your face. Like even if you're doing just a flawless face, I mean, that is the #1 key to being flawless. So for today's look, I'm using my Amrezy palette because, yeah, and this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For the transition, I'm going to be taking 1988, this, and then I'm going to deepen the crease with the black. It's been a while since I've done a cut crease like that dark, so wow, that's very pigmented. Oh my gosh, guys, I did not. Is this the first time I'm using this eyeshadow? This is so pigmented. That's one dip, literally one dip. Oh my gosh, that's so cool, and I'm not getting any fallouts, so that's good. Listen, I could leave it at this for the transition, literally, because this brown is really perfect for like a deep crease color. Blend it so you can have the ends really nice and diffused. Wow, that's pretty. If you guys want an updated everyday makeup routine video, guys, you see how dark my brow looks and it's not filled in. And I love that darkness. I don't need you to be any darker, any lighter. Oh, by the way, in that video I mentioned who did my microblading, so You need to watch the video. Alright, so now I'm going in with a smaller brush with the black, and the name of the black is BK. Oh my god, I've never really used this palette like that. These mattes are bomb. I'm not getting any fallouts. The color payoff is absolutely gorgeous.
Time for a love potion, little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up.
I'm gonna cut the crease and go back in with my concealer to do so, because it's really light. Oh, I didn't tell you, it's Il Makiage. Yeah, if I'm flawless. Yeah, number 5.
Mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind.
Creating my crease, so I don't want to do anything too colorful. I want to do earthy shades. So I feel for the outer part, I'm going to actually take New York. That's how it's spelled. It's not spelled like New York. This one here. So that's a nice nude.
I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back.
For the inner portion, I'm gonna take Wasted, which is this light shade.
One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright.
I'm not doing a wing, but I'm taking my liner from Il Makiage Lambo, and that's what I'm using to line my upper lash line. Number 1 in my book right now in terms of like black liner. It's really waxy and really dark, really easy to apply. You don't even have to put that much tension when applying it. So I kind of just went through the face portion. It's not nothing you've never seen before. Even this eye look, it's really just one of those more neutral toned kind of cut crease. I use my Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation in 195, and I paired that with my Il Makiage If I'm Flawless concealer in number 5, and I just made sure everything was well blended. I then set everything with powders as usual. You know the drill.
I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking.
No, I am going in with my, oh my gosh, you know what, I realized that I really love using my Il Makiage stuff. I really do. Guys, don't forget, if you want to get Il Makiage products, I'll put a link in my description box so you can shop from the website. You'll see looks that I've done before using my Il Makiage products, and if you want none of these products, then you can shop off the side, and as I said, I'll link it. Guys, I know I'm always doing glossy neutral lips, but it's just a thing for me. It's just a thing for me that I cannot break out of. It's like just the best look, like less is more. I don't want to get that sultry with the lower line area today, so what I'm gonna do is just add mascara to my bottom lashes to kind of bring that up a bit. Yeah, I like that. I like that look.
I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know what you are falling deep in love with me.
Pretty. That's really pretty.
Little sweet spice. Now that I made a love potion for you.
Oh my god. Guys, this is it. This is really nice. Like, what I can say is I'm really pleased. It turned out exactly how I wanted it to turn out. Exactly how I wanted it to turn out. So now it's like it has like highs and lows in the color due to me not double applying more color. And I like it. I like it. You know, like how you highlight and no light. This is really nice. I feel like the curly vibe really worked with this. I feel like if it was straightened, it would have been bomb too, because it was, you guys saw how flowy it was before I curled it up, and that was just from air drying. So I know if I had used my flat iron, it would have been like butter. So I'm impressed with it. As I said, if you want the information on the hair itself, check out the description box. The link to the video of it in its initial state and all the necessary information where you can buy it, all that good stuff, the name of the wig, everything is in my description box. Check out that video, go watch that video. That's where you can get that information. But honey, I've never done this, so I like the fact that I'm trying out these new colors. I have in mind my next 2 colors that I want to do, and I'll be doing those soon as well. So I'm gonna be coming, you know, as I said, it's spring is very much coming on, so we need the colors in our life, especially in those times like this. We need a little colors for uplift for spirits. But yeah, I'll put all the necessary information that needs to be in my description box, so go ahead. If you have any questions, check out my description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself.